We'll continue to find ways to open documents within your document library. Most SharePoint libraries are set up so that when you click on an Office file, that is Word document, Excel, or a PowerPoint presentation, they will open inside a web browser. The availability of the online version is great when you don't have Word or Excel installed on your device, but they offer reduced buttons and functionality than the Word, Excel, or PowerPoint apps on your company's workstation. So in order to open the full functionality of the desktop application, you can either select the file and click on Open in an App, or you can right click on the file and go to the same place, Open in an App, or the third way is select the file and click on Open in an App. You can click on this checkbox to always open in Microsoft Word in desktop application and click on Open. So the file has been opened in Microsoft Word desktop application. There is also another way to open your file, is this. Open the document in browser, and then when it opens up, click on this drop down box in editing and click on Open in desktop app. So once it's open in your desktop application, I wanted to add one more thing, is autosave button. This autosave button is located on the top left hand corner. Right now it's by default is on, and when opening a file from SharePoint, the autosave features in your Office app will be turned on by default, as I said. This means that the changes you make to the file are automatically saved back to SharePoint. This prevents losing your changes and allows others to see your changes as you make them. So for example, add some words here. And close the file. And now I'll go back to my SharePoint site, refresh if necessary, and test1.docs, it says modified a few seconds ago. Open it again, and it saves our change. Autosave test, that's the word that I had entered earlier.